before we met, I was out of my mind. I was spinning in circles looking for a sign. And you came to me like a dream in the moonlight. Showed me the way, yeah, you said you said, oh,
Pasensya na muna.
until my days are through.
Okay na.
I'm never giving up on you. The sleepless nights, through the hardest times, when you're feeling low, don't know what to do. I'm never giving up on you. They said good love isn't easy.
Sa ako yung pagkaila ni John Dave, gatuog yun ko kini siya mo'y mapari sa ilahang batch. Kay buutan man ni kaayo. Tinuod na, may ganin niya, wag yun na sa uyam. Hantod 2010, pagka 2012, nagkauyab mo. No. Nakalimot na ka. Mauna nga karon, 10 years, karong adlaw mismo, anniversary sa ilang panag-uyab. Og tapuso na karong adlaw ang ilang panag-uyab, kay musugod naman sila sa bagong kinabuhi sa usa ka minyo.
Read that ka, aga ka. Wow, good. What? Gang, hi gang. Happy 10th anniversary. Karoon na ito dalawa. Sure na lagi ka, Nick. Anyway, I hope you're happy with my gift. I know you've been wanting to have one since sa una pa. May this guitar symbolize this harmony sa next chapter sa tong life. Nga bisan mo yabag panagsa pero ato gihapong paningkamutan nga ma-in tune balik char. Again, happy anniversary lang ga. See you later.
Hi, gang. Happy 10th anniversary. I remember when I was still young, I've been dreaming to have a wonderful and complete family. I've been asking God if when will be the time nga maka-experience ko complete family nga naay mama and papa. And now, this is it. I've been praying and waiting for this day to come. Who would have thought nga sa akong pag-work sa airport will lead me to the man who will eventually answer my lifelong prayer. Who would have thought nga ang atong 2 weeks agreement 2 weeks char nga so ayan right mo click ba jud ta moabot og 10 years.
On this very date, you give me your yes to try to be in a relationship with me. Who would have thought that on this very date also, we'll say our idols. Nangga, thank you sa tanan.
I am forever grateful to God for bringing you into my life. I have found my safe place in you. You are my home. You are my answered prayer.
I promise to stand beside you as your husband and as your friend in sickness and in health, in times of prosperity and decline, in peace and in turmoil, as long as we both shall live. Happy 10th anniversary, Langga. I love you to infinity and beyond.
Ga, happy 10th anniversary. I gave you this bag since we both love to travel and I know we will travel a lot. I love you. See you later.
promise to take care of you bisan pag atretiso na ka. And I promise to cook food for you and our family. And I promise to stick with you no matter what. I love you and always remember, sa puton man ko nimo per di ti kabayaan.